Good morning to all of you. I am Anand Sharma of MBA department from Aravali College of Engineering and Management. My guide name is Dr. Dolly Kumar. I am here for a short presentation on my research topic, Impact of Working Capital on Firm's Financial Performance. To begin the presentation, the first topic is abstract. Abstract is a small description into a small words of the research paper. The first topic is abstract. Abstract is overall small description into small words. Abstract of the research paper. Working capital is important financial decision of firm. It helps the firm to meet its short-term obligation. Firm are maintaining working capital for day-to-day operation or smoothly running production. Lack of adequate working capital is affected production process due to which firm occur losses. The main objective of this research is to study the impact of working capital on Thomson Press performance. As we see that if company are not maintaining money for meet its short-term obligation, how the firm survive in loss. The next topic is introduction. In introduction, I have covered what is working capital. Working capital can be understood as the capital needed by the firm to can finance current asset. It represents the fund available to enterprise to finance the day-to-day activity effectively. Working capital is financial decision as it affects the profitability and liquidity of firm. If business have excessive working capital, then business cannot earn proper rate of return on its investment and also purchase unnecessary inventories due to which there is a chance of waste or theft of inventory. Management of our working capital is required so that firm have a sufficient fund for operating its activities and they require less borrowed fund. Adequacy of working capital is lifeblood of firm as it confidence create a sense of security, confidence and loyalty. If firm have not adequate working capital, there will be a difficulty in success. Today, the competition is increased, so the business has to expand itself. The next topic of the presentation is literature review. Shagan was the first person who conducted the research on working capital and revealed the first theory paper on working capital management. Sagan, in his study, focused on why working capital is managed and how it affects the profitability of a firm. Later on, Walker conducted a research in 1964 in which he studied what have effect on firm changing the working capital level on rate of a return, and he find out the negative relationship between working capital level and rate of return. According to study conducted by Felter in 1970, he ignoring the aspect of risk and focus on return of working capital management. As all of you know that risk can be minimized but cannot be ignored. So all those enterprise who follow this approach are badly affected its short-term liquidity position. Topic of the presentation is research methodology. The research depending upon the various steps like objective of the study, how the data is collected, how much is the sample size required, and limitation of the survey. Objective. The first objective is to ascertain the amount of working capital and its correlation with the sales of printing press companies. Second, to evaluate the working capital performance of a company. And the third, to find the impact of working capital on profitability. In this research, I have used primary as well as secondary data for study the impact of working capital on firm's performance. The next topic of the presentation is data analysis. In data analysis, I have taken three questions. The first question is working capital is required for day-to-day operation of a business. Mostly employee of the organization says that yes, working capital is important for functioning regular operation of the business. The second question is that how to raise finance for the working capital. Around 57% of the employees says that working capital are raised from both the sources, on fund as well as borrowed fund. And the third question is that working capital affect firm's performance. Most of the employees of the organization are agree that working capital are affect the financial performance of the firm as well as its profitability. The next topic of the presentation is findings. I have mentioned the various facts and figures through my research paper, but I have found in it. After analyzing the data collected from 100 respondents, we able to see that working capital is important in business. Most of the employees are agree that working capital is affected the firm performance on as working capital is required to cover short-term obligation of firm. 41% of the employee of firm have said that working capital is always positive, while 12.5% said that it become negative also. It is found that there were around 44.6% of the employees that say that working capital affect performance. According to this survey, 66.7% of the employee are considered that working capital is required for day-to-day operations. Slide of the presentation is conclusion. The research shows that without working capital, the firm are not able to meet its short-term obligation. As a result, firms are not run in long time period. Proper procedures are followed in systematic manner in order to operate working capital. Without working capital, the firm is not success. The market position of the company is also very important. The financial status of Thomson Press is good. In the last year, inventory turnover has been increased. This is the good sign of the company. The next slide of the presentation is suggestion. The first suggestion is company should try to reduce inventory cycle. The second conclusion, the second point is Thomson Press should try to improve the performance of the product. Third, upgrading the technology from developed country and keeping pace with the advanced technology. Fourth, to suggest measures for the better utilization of the resources related to working capital management. And the last and the fifth point is the computation of working capital is done at optimum level. It helps the firm to maintain its current asset and current liability in a better way. I hope you all of understand my presentation and having